The ShopSabre Industrial Series CNC router is engineered for precision, power, and unwavering reliability. Whether you're cutting metal, wood, plastic, or foam, the IS series is built to elevate your production with unbeatable accuracy and power. Available in 4x8, 5x10, and 6x12 sizes, this machine delivers world-class performance while keeping your budget in check. The IS series features a heavy-duty, one-piece structural steel frame with a fully welded design. Every frame is stress-relieved and aerospace milled to maintain absolute precision and consistency. The oversized tube construction adds significant strength, providing rigidity and reducing vibration, even during heavy cuts. With a robust steel gantry engineered for maximum strength, the IS series is built to handle the most demanding workloads. ShopSabre utilizes finite element analysis to enhance gantry performance, delivering smooth, accurate, and repeatable cuts every time. Every IS series CNC router is equipped with 25mm linear profile guide rails featuring quad roller ball bearings, providing smoother motion and enhanced durability. Designed for heavy-duty operation, these precision-engineered rails minimize friction and increase the lifespan of your machine, maintaining its ability to cut faster, run longer, and produce better parts. The IS series employs ball screw drive systems on all three axes, with the Y-axis featuring dual drives. This technology delivers unmatched precision, power, and reliability with positional repeatability of plus or minus 1/1000th of an inch and our whip-free anti-backlash system, so your machine will outperform the competition. Equipped with advanced AC digital servo motors, the IS series achieves optimal speed and accuracy with real-time feedback from glass encoders. These high-performance motors deliver exceptional torque, providing the power needed for high-speed cutting and heavy material handling. The IS series comes equipped with ShopSabre's SuperZ Technology, designed to enhance the precision and stability of vertical movements. This technology increases the Z-axis travel distance to an impressive 16 inches, allowing for deeper cuts and more complex 3D machining. It also accelerates drilling and tool changes, minimizing wear on the Z-axis over time. The IS series offers an Italian electric fan-cooled spindle, capable of reaching up to 24,000 RPM. These robust spindles achieve 100% duty rating and are designed for versatility across a range of materials, with optional configurations such as automatic tool changers to further enhance your workflow. The ShopSabre IS series is equipped with advanced vacuum hold-down technology, designed to optimize your material handling and improve cutting efficiency. Our high-flow vacuum technology increases the surface flow up to 50% over the competition, resulting in stronger holding pressures and better performance. This system leads to more accurate cuts and reduced waste by minimizing movement. Optional vacuum zones allow for targeted control, letting you quickly switch between different materials or sections of the table. Featuring ShopSabre's quick-release dust skirt technology, the IS series offers an efficient solution to a cleaner way of CNC machining. Experience the power of the industry-leading Win CNC controller, paired with our intuitive Windows PC interface right at the machine. This robust solution simplifies complex controls, offering seamless project automation and integration. When combined with ShopSabre's advanced hardware, this controller enables effortless transitions from design to cutting with unmatched efficiency and precision. Key features such as remote diagnostics, file preview, and job time tracking make managing your projects straightforward and efficient. The controller also supports mid-file start, stop, and restart, allowing for flexibility during cuts. With machine self-squaring and on-machine file storage, you'll have everything you need for precise, hassle-free operation at your fingertips. The ShopSabre IS series offers a wide range of options to enhance performance and customize the machine for your specific workflow. Cut down tool change times with our revolutionary Fave 3 gantry-mounted 3-tool changer, or increase your rear rack from 6 tools all the way to 12. Pair both systems for an ultimate solution with up to 15 possible tool positions. Align your project perfectly with pneumatic alignment pins and keep your table clean with an optional air blower attachment. We're constantly expanding your product possibilities with add-ons like our 4th axis, Opt Laser, Quill Braille printer, tangential knife, and others, making this the most versatile machine for specialized tasks and demanding applications. ShopSabre proudly offers lifetime technical support and training with every IS Series CNC router. Our dedicated team of experts are available to assist you, making sure you're equipped with the right tools and knowledge to maximize your machine's potential. Our commitment to customer service, combined with ShopSabre's American-made quality and reliability, are what set us apart in the industry, driving successful, long-lasting solutions for our machine owners. The ShopSabre IS Series is the ultimate industrial CNC router for businesses that demand precision, reliability, and scalability, all at an affordable price. ShopSabre, the way CNC was meant to be.